Hi everyone, welcome back.
You got me on my bad side. I didn't know what to do.
Seth's gonna be helping me out here. He's gonna help me today. We're gonna do cheesecake. Probably the easiest cheesecake recipe I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Seth has made it, so that explains
Super
it.
easy. And
we're making it for my dad's 60th birthday, so shout out to Richard.
Happy birthday, Richard.
So the recipe is 2 blocks of cream cheese, so 16 ounces, 1 can.
Oh God, you can't see it at all.
1 can of sweetened condensed milk, which is 14 ounces, and then 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice.
A teaspoon. A teaspoon. Tablespoon. Tablespoon. I don't know.
And a tablespoon of vanilla. And I have him here, so he's going to help with the cream cheese. We want the cream cheese to come to room temperature so then it's easier to mix. I did not bring over a handheld mixer, so that is not here. So he's here. He's gonna be using this bad boy because he doesn't have a whisk. So
Oh my God.
is it gonna be hard?
Yeah. Look at it, looks like so weird.
Yeah. Oh, it's oozing.
Yeah, it does that. Normally what I do is, and then you just poke like a little hole at the back. Now I'm adding the milk. Milk. I said milk.
How are you supposed to say it?
Milk.
Milk?
I always say milk.
I say milk.
Me too.
Okay.
But people make fun of me for saying milk.
I've gotten made fun of before too, but I don't know how else you're supposed to say it.
Who else says milk?
Milk.
So we just pour it in. Oh, I think I spilled on the counter. How was it looking? So I normally
do like some.
Yeah, and then mix it and then do more. But I don't really know what I'm talking about either. The reason that I found this recipe to make it was in high school facts class. Our teacher, I don't know, we had to make or cook something. I don't remember what her instructions were, but it was we had to cook a specific item and we had to kind of prepare it, and then everyone in the class got to try each other's items. Well, instead of cooking, I went and found this recipe where you can just mix everything. I got in a lot of trouble for choosing it, and she hated me, but she hated me before, so. I was only in that class to eat food. It does not look good.
I should have known you wouldn't have a whisk. No! Oh! No! And now we're gonna add 1/3 cup of lemon juice.
You can add more if you want. I like it more lemony because I don't know, I usually wouldn't use fruit as a topping or anything.
Oh,
if you like lemon, you can use more.
That is a lot. Oh my God. That's a lot.
Hopefully I read it right. This went from bad to actually pretty nice.
You went from bad to not bad. Now we're adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Sub.
That's how it looks. Okay, now we're gonna dump it in to our pie crust that we bought. We did not make. This is Lazy Man's cheesecake.
Don't look at me like that. It still tastes really good. Dang! That's my side commentary.
Cool. So it's pretty liquidy now, but we're gonna put it in the fridge to cool. By the time we want to eat it, it's gonna be done and thick.
Cool.
We're not gonna get a testing today because we have to let it cool, and we're not eating this till my father's party. In the fridge we go.
Pulls a Kevin and drops it. Kevin's chili. Do it.
So I have a fork here. That's good. It's good. It's not the actual pie. I do want more.
It's super rich, by the way. If you eat more than like 2 pieces, you'll get a stomach ache.
That's one way to sell it. Okay. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for coming back to watch. If you had some of this cheesecake, that's pretty awesome. I would like to thank Seth for coming and doing this with me. It took a lot out of his day. I really appreciate all the hard work he does. Okay, thanks. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Cool.